Today we're looking at a 2006 Fountain 38 Lightning, listed for sale here at Grand Sports Center in Lake in the Hills, Illinois. This boat has twin Sterling-built 525 EFI engines with Whipple 3.3-liter superchargers. That's 850 horsepower apiece. Low hours, beautiful boat. Walking down the sides, see the custom paint is in excellent condition. Got stainless rub rail, deck rails, low profile windshield design, tinted, also has a color matched frame. Got a IMCO triple axle trailer, snap-on cockpit cover, full storage cover, Fountain logo on the deck, anchor locker up front. Nose of the boat is super clean. Got docking lights, V-bottom stepped hull, great looking profile. Moving around back, you've got IMCO SCX-4 drives, number 6 shafts, sharp herring cleaver props. Underwater lighting, got large K-plane trim tabs, through hull exhaust, hydraulic steering. Moving to the inside, you do have rear deck rails, a roomy sun pad. See the interior is bright white, very clean. Fountain logo, stitching is excellent. Boat does have custom marine mat throughout, including this swim platform. Rear bench seat design. Power drop-down driver and passenger bolster seats. Color match grab handles. There is color accent lighting as well. We will show that a little later on. Beautiful custom helm. Levorsi gauges and controls. Another look at the deck. A lot of shine. Power's on. We're going to open the engine room. Split engine hatch. Beautiful engines. Polished superchargers. Polished exhaust headers. Sterling built, 850 horsepower apiece. About 145 hours on the builds. Here they are looking forward from the swim platform. Sea strainers, clean engine room. Fountain builder's tag. Another look at that custom marine mat flooring. Dash is nice. See that tinted windshield and color matched frame. Take a walk down the deck. Beautiful blue paint on that Fountain logo. Boat does have a deep cuddy cabin, salon seating area, V-berth sleeper up front, countertop with sink, does have an integral cooler compartment. There's your updated Fusion Bluetooth receiver. See, you've got accent lighting, Fountain throw pillows, cabin fan up front, deck hatches, all the vinyls, headliner, very clean in the cabin. Finally, we also have an enclosed head with a potty and sink. Boat does have a headset system.